Ladies and gentlemen, building the life you want is a journey of choices, determination, and resilience. It is easy to get lost in the hustle of life, trying to meet others' expectations, chasing goals that are not ours, and letting fear hold us back from living fully. But the truth is, you have the power to shape your own life. The strength to build the life you want lies within you. It is about creating a life that brings you peace, happiness, and fulfillment. It's not about following a predefined path, but rather creating your own unique journey. This is your story to write, and every decision you make brings you one step closer to the life you desire. No one is going to hand you the life you dream of. You have to go out and make it happen. It requires hard work, sacrifices, and perseverance. But most importantly, it requires self-belief. You need to believe that you deserve to build the life you want. Your dreams, no matter how big or small, are achievable. And they are achievable because you are capable. Too often we let our doubts and fears dictate our future. We forget that we have the power to change our circumstances, to rise above challenges, and to keep moving forward, no matter how tough the journey may seem. Building the life you want begins with one fundamental thing: self-belief. Without belief in yourself, all the ambition, hard work, and dreams will remain just that, dreams. It is the foundation upon which you will build every step forward. Self-belief doesn't mean thinking that you are perfect or never making mistakes. It means trusting in your ability to overcome challenges, learn from your experiences, and ultimately achieve what you set out to do. Imagine for a moment if every time you faced a challenge you believed in your ability to get through it. Instead of doubting yourself, you would have the strength to push through the hardest of times. Self-belief is not just a feeling, it is an action. It's choosing to keep going even when things seem impossible. When you have self-belief, you will take risks, make decisions that align with your values, and step into opportunities that bring you closer to the life you want. But self-belief is not something that magically appears. It's something you have to nurture every day. You need to remind yourself that you are worthy of success. You need to understand that you are capable of creating the life you desire, no matter where you start or how many setbacks you face along the way. It is about having the courage to trust yourself, even when others doubt you, and believing that no one else knows your potential better than you do. Your thoughts play a significant role in building self-belief. How you think about yourself and your abilities shapes your actions and decisions. Positive thoughts lead to positive actions, while negative thoughts can hold you back. Therefore, it is crucial to practice positive thinking and self-affirmation. Start each day by telling yourself that you are enough, that you are capable, and that you are worthy of the life you are working towards. The more you reinforce these beliefs, the more they will become a part of who you are. Another key aspect of self-belief is accepting your imperfections. No one is perfect, and that is completely fine. In fact, it's the imperfections that make us human, that make us unique. By accepting your flaws, you can work on them and grow stronger. When you believe in yourself, you understand that failure is not the end, but just a part of the process. It is through failure that you learn and improve. The people who succeed are often the ones who failed the most but didn't give up. Self-belief also means not allowing others' opinions to define your worth. Society often has its own idea of success, and it's easy to get caught up in trying to meet other people's expectations. But the truth is, your life is yours to live. No one else has the right to tell you what you should or should not want. When you truly believe in yourself, you stop seeking validation from others. You know that your worth is not dependent on anyone else's approval. The key to building the life you want is to start with self-belief. Everything flows from there. Once you believe in yourself, you take control of your future. You stop waiting for permission or for the perfect moment, because you understand that the only moment that matters is now. You have the power to create the life you want, and it all starts with believing that you are capable of doing so. When you have self-belief, the world becomes full of possibilities. You begin to see opportunities where others see obstacles. The road ahead may not always be smooth, but with self-belief you will always find a way forward. Building the life you want requires one crucial element: taking responsibility for your choices. Responsibility is the cornerstone of personal empowerment. It means recognizing that you are the driver of your own life, and no one else is responsible for the outcome of your journey. The choices you make every single day shape your future. They determine where you end up, what kind of person you become, and how you interact with the world around you. When you take full responsibility for your actions, you gain the power to change anything in your life, no matter how stuck you might feel at times. We often find ourselves blaming circumstances, other people, or even fate for the challenges we face. It's easy to point fingers when things go wrong, but the truth is, life doesn't happen to you. It happens because of you. Each choice, whether big or small, leads to a result. When you make conscious, responsible decisions, you are actively shaping your future. It's about understanding that you are in control, not external circumstances. No matter where you start or how challenging your current situation may be, you always have the power to choose how you respond. You may not have control over every event, but you certainly have control over how you approach it. Taking responsibility isn't just about owning up to your mistakes or failures. It's about acknowledging that your successes are also the result of your efforts. Many times we tend to downplay our achievements or attribute them to luck, timing, or external factors. However, every success you experience is a reflection of the choices you made, the effort you put in, and the mindset you maintained. Recognizing this empowers you to keep moving forward with confidence. If you can take credit for the positive outcomes in your life, you can also take the lessons from the negative ones. The first step in taking responsibility is acknowledging where you are right now. If you are unhappy with your life, it's important to admit that it is the result of your current choices, whether those choices were conscious or unconscious. This isn't about self-blame. It's about understanding that you are the one who can change things. You have the power to make better choices moving forward. Whether you feel stuck in a job you don't love, trapped in a toxic relationship, or overwhelmed by financial struggles, acknowledging your part in creating these circumstances is empowering. It allows you to let go of the victim mentality and embrace the mindset of someone who is capable of turning things around. Once you accept responsibility for where you are, you can begin to focus on the next steps. The beauty of taking responsibility is that it opens up the possibility of change. It shifts the focus from external factors to your own actions and decisions. For example, if you feel stuck in your career, rather than blaming the economy or your employer, take a step back and evaluate your own choices. Have you been proactive in seeking opportunities? Have you developed the skills necessary for growth? By asking these questions, you move from a place of helplessness to a place of empowerment. You realize that the path forward isn't determined by others, but by the actions you choose to take. Taking responsibility also means understanding that there is no one to blame for your setbacks but yourself. This doesn't mean being harsh or unforgiving toward yourself, but it means recognizing that mistakes are a part of the learning process. When you own up to your failures, you can look at them from a constructive perspective. Mistakes are opportunities to grow. They are stepping stones toward building the life you want. When you learn from your missteps instead of repeating them, you move forward with wisdom and experience. Taking full responsibility for your choices also means being accountable to yourself. This is crucial because it keeps you grounded in your own integrity. When you are responsible for your decisions, you hold yourself to a higher standard. You stop making excuses and start making progress. You stop waiting for things to change on their own, and you realize that change comes from within. The more responsible you become, the more you empower yourself to create the life you desire. Ultimately, taking responsibility is an act of freedom. It may seem daunting at first, but the moment you embrace it, you take back control of your life. It allows you to stop waiting for things to magically improve and start actively working toward your goals. Responsibility gives you the courage to take action, make changes, and pursue the life you want without relying on anyone else to make it happen. When you take responsibility, you become the architect of your own destiny. Change is inevitable, but it is also something that starts with you. It is easy to get caught up in the idea that we are at the mercy of circumstances, that life is something that happens to us and we simply have to react. However, the truth is, change doesn't just come from external forces, it begins within us. We are the creators of our own transformations. When we take control of the changes we want to see in our lives, we start building the life we want. It may seem like a daunting task, especially when we feel stuck in certain situations, but change is not only possible, it is in our hands. The process of change is often a journey, and it requires us to shift our mindset. This shift doesn't happen overnight. It requires a conscious decision to step away from old habits, limiting beliefs, and unproductive behaviors. Often we find ourselves repeating patterns because they are familiar, even though they don't serve us. Whether it's in our relationships, our career, or our daily habits, we tend to stick with what is comfortable, even when it's holding us back. But the truth is, comfort zones don't lead to growth. If we want to change, we need to challenge ourselves to step out of what we know and take the risks necessary for growth. One of the most important parts of change is recognizing that it doesn't happen by chance. It's not about waiting for the perfect moment or expecting things to fall into place on their own. Change requires intentional action. This means making choices that align with the person you want to become. It's about taking small, consistent steps toward your goals, even if they seem insignificant at the time. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to the overall transformation. The key is consistency, because transformation doesn't happen in a day or a week. It is a result of the cumulative effort over time. Making the decision to change also requires us to let go of certain things, whether it's negative thinking patterns, toxic relationships, or self-doubt. These are the things that hold us back and keep us from moving forward. Letting go is not always easy, but it is necessary for change to occur. It is about clearing the space in your life for the new opportunities, growth, and experiences that will lead you to the life you want. Letting go isn't just about removing things that aren't helpful, it's about creating space for the things that will push you toward your dreams. Taking responsibility for the changes you want to see is also crucial. Too often, we place the blame for our circumstances on others or on external factors. We blame our upbringing, our environment, or our past mistakes for the situation we're in. While these factors may have played a role in shaping us, they do not define us. You are not bound by your past. The power to create change lies in your present choices. By taking responsibility for where you are now, you can begin the process of transforming your life. This may mean shifting your mindset, reevaluating your goals, or even changing your environment. When you take ownership of your life, you give yourself the freedom to make the necessary changes to move forward. Another aspect of change is being patient with the process. Transformation takes time, and the road to your goals is rarely a straight line. There will be setbacks, there will be moments of doubt, and there will be times when it feels like nothing is happening. But these are just temporary challenges. True growth comes from overcoming these obstacles and continuing on your path, even when things seem hard. Patience is key in this process because change doesn't happen quickly, but the rewards of that change are well worth the effort. Finally, change is not just about achieving specific goals, it is about becoming the person you want to be. The journey of change involves developing new skills, learning new ways of thinking, and discovering parts of yourself that you may not have known existed. It's about becoming more aligned with your true self and living in a way that reflects your values and aspirations. Change isn't just about outward success, it's about inner growth and fulfillment. When you embrace change, you become the best version of yourself, capable of handling life's challenges with resilience and grace. And as you grow, the life you want becomes more and more within reach. Failure is often seen as something to avoid at all costs, but in reality, it is one of the most valuable experiences you can have on the path to building the life you want. Embracing failure as a lesson rather than a setback is one of the most powerful shifts you can make. Failure does not define you, but rather it refines you. It teaches you lessons that success simply cannot. When we fail, we have the opportunity to learn, adapt, and grow in ways that are not possible when everything goes according to plan. One of the first steps in embracing failure is changing how we perceive it. Most people view failure as something to be ashamed of, something that marks the end of a road or the defeat of an effort. However, failure should not be seen as an endpoint, but rather as a part of the journey. Every successful person has encountered failure at some point. What sets them apart is their ability to use failure as a stepping stone. Instead of retreating or giving up, they use the experience to adjust, refine their approach, and try again. Failure is not permanent, it is just a temporary experience that serves as feedback on what does not work. When we fail, we are forced to take a hard look at our actions and decisions. This reflection is where the greatest learning happens. Failure gives us an opportunity to identify what went wrong, where we went off track, and what we can do differently next time. Without failure, we would never truly understand what it takes to succeed. Success often feels easy when everything aligns, but true success comes from overcoming adversity, and failure provides the perfect training ground for this. Each failure reveals weaknesses, but also offers insights into how we can improve and grow stronger. Moreover, failure teaches resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back after setbacks, to keep moving forward despite challenges. It is the mental toughness that allows us to face difficult situations and persevere. When we experience failure and learn to cope with it, we develop resilience. We become stronger, more adaptable, and more capable of handling whatever life throws our way. Resilience is not built through success but through overcoming failure, learning from it, and moving forward with renewed strength and determination. Another important lesson that failure brings is humility. Failure keeps us grounded. It reminds us that we are not invincible and that there is always room for improvement. When things go wrong, we are reminded that we are human, with our own limitations and areas for growth. This humility allows us to be more open to learning, more willing to seek help, and more aware of the effort required to achieve our goals. It fosters a mindset of continuous learning, where we understand that failure is just one step in the process of mastery. Failure also teaches us the importance of persistence. It is easy to give up when things get tough, but the most successful people are those who persist in the face of failure. Persistence is what separates those who achieve their dreams from those who give up. Every failure is a chance to try again, to adjust your approach, and to keep moving forward. The key is not to see failure as a stop sign, but as a redirection. It's a reminder that you are on the right path, even if things don't go exactly as planned. Persistence, fueled by the lessons of failure, leads to eventual success. Failure encourages us to step out of our comfort zones. When everything goes smoothly, we might feel secure, but true growth happens when we challenge ourselves, take risks, and push beyond our limits. Failure is often the result of stepping into new territory, of trying something unfamiliar. By embracing failure, we are embracing growth. It forces us to take risks, to put ourselves in situations where we don't know what will happen, and to face uncertainty head on. This is where real growth happens, when we are willing to fail and learn from those experiences. In essence, failure is not something to fear or avoid, but something to embrace. It is an essential part of building the life you want. It teaches us lessons, builds resilience, fosters humility, encourages persistence, and pushes us to grow beyond our limits. When we begin to see failure not as a defeat but as an opportunity for growth, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and a future full of success. The key is to not let failure stop you, but to let it guide you toward the success that is waiting on the other side. Staying true to your values and vision is one of the most important aspects of building the life you want. In a world that constantly pulls us in different directions, it can be easy to lose sight of who we really are and what we truly want. It's tempting to follow the crowd, to chase success based on external validation, or to conform to societal standards. However, the most fulfilling life is one that aligns with your own beliefs, principles, and long-term vision. Your values are the compass that guides you, and your vision is the roadmap that directs you towards the life you desire. Staying true to these internal guiding forces is crucial to finding happiness and achieving personal success. The first step in staying true to your values and vision is understanding what they are. Your values are the beliefs and principles that define who you are at your core. They are what you stand for, what drives your actions, and what gives you a sense of purpose. For some, these values might be honesty, integrity, or compassion. For others, it might be creativity, adventure, or personal growth. Identifying your core values is essential because it gives you a solid foundation on which to build your life. Without this clarity, it's easy to get swayed by outside influences and lose track of what truly matters to you. Once you have a clear understanding of your values, you need to create a vision for your life. A vision is a mental image of the future you want to create. It is not just about setting goals, but about envisioning the person you want to become, the experiences you want to have, and the impact you want to make. Your vision should reflect your deepest desires and aspirations. It's not just about achieving material success or external recognition, but about creating a life that aligns with who you truly are. Your vision serves as a roadmap, giving you direction and focus in times of uncertainty. Staying true to your values and vision requires courage. It's easy to compromise your principles when faced with external pressure, whether it's from society, friends, or family. People often feel the need to conform to others' expectations, believing that doing so will bring them happiness or success. But true happiness comes from within, and it comes from living a life that is authentic to you. When you compromise on your values to please others, you are not only hurting yourself, but also depriving the world of your true potential. The courage to stay true to your values means standing firm in the face of challenges and remaining committed to your own path, even when it's difficult. The path to staying true to your vision also requires focus. It's easy to get distracted by external circumstances or short-term temptations, but long-term success comes from consistency and staying aligned with your purpose. This focus means making decisions that are in line with your vision and rejecting the ones that take you off course. Every choice you make should bring you closer to the life you want, not push you further away from it. This doesn't mean you won't face setbacks or obstacles, but rather, it's about having the clarity to know when to push through and when to reassess. In addition to focus, it's essential to stay connected to your values and vision by regularly reassessing them. Life is not static, and as you grow, your understanding of your values and your vision may evolve. It's important to periodically check in with yourself to make sure that you are still on the right track. This could mean reflecting on your achievements, evaluating how your actions align with your beliefs, and making adjustments where necessary. By staying connected to your values, you can ensure that you are continually growing in the direction that is true to you. Another key component of staying true to your values and vision is resilience. The road to success is rarely smooth, and you will face setbacks along the way. However, your values and vision will give you the strength to keep going. When you encounter challenges or experience failure, it's important to remind yourself of why you are doing what you are doing. Your values will give you the determination to overcome obstacles, and your vision will keep you motivated to continue moving forward. Resilience is not about avoiding failure, it's about using setbacks as opportunities to learn, grow, and realign yourself with your purpose. One of the most rewarding aspects of staying true to your values and vision is the sense of fulfillment it brings. Living in alignment with your beliefs and goals brings a deep sense of satisfaction and peace. You no longer feel the need to chase external validation or compare yourself to others. Instead, you live life on your own terms, knowing that every step you take is moving you closer to the person you want to be and the life you want to create. This sense of alignment brings an inner peace that can't be achieved by following someone else's path. Staying true to your values and vision is about living authentically and making decisions that reflect who you are at your core. It requires clarity, courage, focus, resilience, and a deep connection to your inner self. When you align your actions with your values and remain committed to your vision, you create a life that is not only successful in external terms, but also deeply fulfilling on a personal level. The journey may not always be easy, but it will be worth it because you will be living the life you were always meant to live. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is one of the most important decisions you can make when it comes to building the life you want. The people you spend your time with have a profound impact on your mindset, your actions, and the direction of your life. The power of the people around you cannot be underestimated because they either help propel you forward or pull you back. Positive influences inspire you, challenge you to grow, and support you when you need it most. On the other hand, negative influences can drain your energy, limit your potential, and keep you stuck in a place of complacency. One of the first steps in surrounding yourself with positive influences is becoming aware of who and what is in your environment. Think about the people you interact with most often. Are they uplifting and encouraging? Do they support your dreams, or do they criticize and doubt your abilities? The truth is, the people around you either add value to your life or subtract from it. If your environment is filled with negativity, it becomes much harder to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Negative people can bring you down with their pessimism, complaints, and doubts. Over time, this negativity can seep into your own mindset, making you believe that your dreams are unrealistic or that success is impossible. In contrast, positive people lift you up. They encourage you to take risks, chase your dreams, and step outside your comfort zone. They celebrate your victories, no matter how small, and remind you of your strengths when you're feeling discouraged. Positive influences also provide valuable guidance, wisdom, and perspective. They help you see things from a different angle, offering advice that you might not have considered on your own. These people challenge you to be the best version of yourself and help you see your own potential. They are not afraid to push you, but they do so with kindness and understanding, knowing that your growth is their priority. It's important to note that positive influences are not just limited to people, they can also be the things you expose yourself to daily. The books you read, the podcasts you listen to, and the content you consume all have the power to shape your thoughts and beliefs. If you surround yourself with knowledge that is uplifting, educational, and empowering, you will begin to notice a shift in your mindset. Consuming positive, motivational, and growth-oriented content feeds your mind with the tools and inspiration you need to keep pushing forward. On the other hand, if you spend your time consuming content that is filled with negativity, drama, or discouragement, it will have the opposite effect. The key is to be mindful of what you are allowing into your mind, as it ultimately influences how you think, act, and feel. When you are surrounded by positive influences, you begin to believe in your own potential more strongly. It's easy to feel unsure of yourself when you are constantly around people who don't believe in you or your dreams. But when you are surrounded by those who cheer you on, your confidence grows. Positive influences give you the encouragement you need to keep going, even when things get tough. They remind you that setbacks are just temporary and that failure is not the end, but a part of the process. They help you stay focused on your goals and push you to keep moving forward, even when the road gets difficult. Surrounding yourself with positive influences also means letting go of relationships or situations that are toxic. This can be one of the most difficult steps, especially if you've been close to someone for a long time. But staying in relationships that are draining, harmful, or unproductive will only hold you back from reaching your full potential. It's important to recognize when someone is not adding value to your life and to make the difficult decision to distance yourself from that negativity. While this may feel challenging, it is often the best thing you can do for your personal growth and future success. Remember, you cannot thrive in an environment that is not supportive or conducive to your goals. Sometimes, the positive influences you need are not people you know personally, but individuals you can learn from through books, videos, or online communities. There are countless mentors and role models out there who are ready to guide and inspire you. Seek out those who have walked the path you wish to walk and learn from their experiences. Look for people who have achieved success and who are willing to share their knowledge, wisdom, and lessons with you. Whether it's through online courses, books, or podcasts, there is a wealth of knowledge available to help you grow and build the life you want. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is about creating an environment that nurtures your dreams, encourages your growth, and supports your success. The more positive influences you allow into your life, the easier it will be to stay focused, motivated, and determined to achieve your goals. Positive people, uplifting content, and a supportive environment will make all the difference as you move forward on your journey. The key is to consciously choose your influences, create the space for positivity, and embrace the growth that comes from being surrounded by those who lift you up. Taking action and staying committed is where the real transformation begins. It's one thing to dream about the life you want, to visualize it, or even talk about it. But without action, these dreams remain fantasies. Action is the bridge between intention and results. It is what turns your vision into reality. However, taking action is not always easy. It requires effort, discipline, and persistence. It's easy to become excited about an idea or goal in the beginning, but the challenge lies in maintaining that momentum and commitment over time. The key to achieving anything significant in life is not just taking the first step, but staying committed to the process, even when obstacles arise. One of the first things you need to understand is that taking action involves a mindset shift. It's not enough to have the desire to change or succeed. You need to make a firm decision to act, regardless of how uncomfortable it may feel. Too many people wait for the perfect moment or for conditions to be just right before they begin. But the truth is, the perfect moment often doesn't exist. Life is unpredictable, and there will always be challenges and uncertainties. Waiting for everything to align perfectly is a recipe for procrastination. The key is to act now, even if it feels scary or uncertain. The perfect moment is the one you create by starting where you are. Taking action also means embracing the idea of progress over perfection. A lot of people get stuck because they fear making mistakes or not doing something perfectly. However, the only way to improve is by taking imperfect action. Every step you take, even if it's not perfect, brings you closer to where you want to be. Waiting for everything to be flawless before you act can cause unnecessary delays and missed opportunities. Instead of aiming for perfection, aim for progress. Consistent small steps will eventually lead to big results. Perfectionism is a trap that keeps you stuck in place, while progress keeps you moving forward. Staying committed to your goals requires consistency. One of the biggest challenges people face is the loss of motivation over time. The initial excitement fades, and the day-to-day reality sets in. This is when many people give up or lose their way. Consistency is what separates those who succeed from those who don't. It's about showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. Consistency builds momentum. The more you show up, the easier it becomes to keep going. It doesn't matter how small the actions are, what matters is that you continue to move forward, no matter the circumstances. Over time, your consistent actions will compound and the results will follow. Another key to staying committed is focusing on the bigger picture. When you're in the middle of a challenging task or project, it can be easy to get overwhelmed by the details and forget why you started in the first place. During these times, it's essential to remind yourself of your vision and the reason behind your efforts. When you reconnect with your why, it reignites your passion and helps you stay motivated. You have to remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. The struggles and obstacles you face along the way are part of the process of growth. When you keep your eyes on the bigger picture, the smaller challenges won't seem as overwhelming. It's also important to track your progress as you take action. Celebrating small wins along the way keeps you motivated and reinforces the habit of consistent action. Tracking your progress gives you a sense of accomplishment and shows you how far you've come, even if the end goal still seems far away. These small victories are proof that your efforts are paying off and that you are moving in the right direction. They give you the confidence to keep going, even when the road ahead seems long. Commitment to your goals also means not letting setbacks discourage you. There will be times when things don't go as planned, or when you face challenges that seem insurmountable. These setbacks are a normal part of any journey, and they should not be viewed as failures. Instead, they should be seen as opportunities to learn and adjust your approach. Every time you encounter a challenge and choose to keep going, you build resilience. This resilience is what helps you stay committed in the face of adversity. It's the ability to bounce back, adapt, and continue moving forward. Every obstacle you overcome strengthens your resolve and makes you more determined to reach your goal. Staying committed to your goals requires a strong sense of accountability. It's easy to let ourselves off the hook when there's no one else keeping track of our progress. But when you hold yourself accountable, you create a sense of responsibility that pushes you to act, even when motivation wanes. Sharing your goals with others or having an accountability partner can help keep you on track. Knowing that someone is there to support you, check in on your progress, and celebrate your wins makes it easier to stay committed. Accountability also forces you to be honest with yourself about your actions and progress. It helps you stay focused and disciplined, which is essential for long-term success. Taking action and staying committed is the key to building the life you want. It's not enough to just think about your goals or dream about success. You need to take consistent, imperfect action every day, even when it's tough, even when things don't go according to plan. By showing up, staying focused on the bigger picture, celebrating small victories, and embracing setbacks as opportunities, you create momentum that will eventually lead to success.
In the dark where shadows play, heartbeats echo in dismay. Lost the map to yesterday, words too sharp to ever say. Ripped jeans and broken dreams, skate parks and silent screams. Moonlight dances on our schemes. We fly so high on shattered wings. Tears fall like rain on a midnight show. We're bound by secrets only we know. Holding tight but letting go. This love is a reckless rodeo. Graffiti hearts on alley walls, cage birds sing in concert halls. Lost within a maze of calls, we free fall where the night falls. Neon lights and shattered glass, fade memories of a haunted past. When forever feels too fast, this is the soundtrack of a love outcast. Tears fall like rain on a midnight show. We're bound by secrets only we know. Holding tight but letting go. This love is a reckless rodeo. So we ride through the chaos, wild and free, chasing dreams that may never be. In the ashes of what we see, we're the fire, we're debris. We're